Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix that the redemption game is crashing, freezing or lagging on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Red Dead Redemption game. Then just click on the gear icon of your game. You will see the property, just click on that. Now here just uncheck the box of enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just uncheck this, then launch the game, then check. If your problem is not fixed and if your game is still crashing, then go to the update, then just update your game as patches may fix these kind of problems. Then go to the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, so just wait for it. Then simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution that you can try, click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. Now here simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on your Red Dead Redemption game launcher, go to its properties. Now just click on the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck the box of compatibility mode. Also uncheck this box, then just check the box of administrator. Then click on the apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then just check the box of disable full screen optimization, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Still not working, then just check the box of compatibility mode. Choose it, the Windows 8. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Guys, if your problem is still not fixed, so the next solution that you can try on your PC to fix this problem is go to the Windows cell, type here the update and simply open up the Windows update. Guys, you just need to make sure that your Windows is completely updated to the latest version. Guys, you also need to make sure that your graphic drivers are also updated. Once you update your Windows or graphic drivers, simply restart the PC, then launch the game, then check. Guys, try all of the solution and see which work for you. And I hope guys one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video and bye bye and take care.